Nets really turned it on in the second half, locked down the Blazers in the fourth quarter yesterday. Houston, the rookie, against Durant. Durant, the jumper, is there. Nets are 2 of 7 from the field. Durant puts it on the deck, drives around Wagner, and finishes with a left hand. Simmons triggers the break. On the move, hits Durant on the wing, turns the corner, layup, good, and a foul. KD. 7-0 run for the Nets, trailing by 2. Durant got the body bump, makes it home. Irving, the bounce for Durant. Just over a minute to go in this opening quarter. Durant leans in, gets it to go, and a foul. Kevin Durant.
And Kevin Durant's used to this. There's not a defensive intensity that he hasn't seen or had to deal with. So
the air up there.
The air up there.
Durant, cross, second defender. Durant, good, and a foul.
But then Kevin Durant does a great job of feeling the contact, taking the fade, knocking it down. Right now, Nets up by 2.
We're tied at 46. Sumner on a bounce for Durant. Turn, fire, connection made. KD. Wagner in his second year, he's 6'10", 220. Durant fires. Book it, a 3.
We know he's got all the things in this game that he gets credit for.
Nets trying to create some separation here. Short from Wagner. Up ahead, O'Neal to Durant. He's going to take it for 3. Kevin Durant! Yes, sir! So is Nick Claxton. Durant has played 22. And a steal. Durant angles in. Uncontested for the jam.
When you've been blessed with that body and that skill set, you should be extremely confident about anything you can do on the basketball floor.
21 now for Banchero. Durant. Cross. Jumper. Nasty. Durant for O'Neal. Magic wanted to travel. Durant makes its move. Durant! Big finish for KD. Bull. Timber. He goes down, and the Nets are running. Durant whips it. Harris gives it up. O'Neal, no look. Durant rocks the rim. Ball movement. Irving getting a rest. Cam Thomas back in. Curry feeds it. Durant steps back. Connects. And a chance at a 3-point play. Kevin Durant is smoking hot. Against Schofield. Durant shake. Fake. Durant on a heater. KD delivers. Nets lead by 6. We approach 7 minutes to go in the fourth. Durant back in. Fading. Masterclass for Kevin Durant.
And these are just the plays. As a veteran team, you can't get cut backdoor with 4 minutes to go. You got to be aware of everything that's going on right now. This is winning time.
Durant, count it. Orlando overall is 13 of 22 at the line. Durant one-on-one with Houston. Durant, jumper. Oh, yeah!